Good morning, this is my Shaman Oracle reading for Tuesday. Today I'm reading for Leo, Virgo, Libra and Scorpio. And this reading here is for Libra. Welcome Libra. We start with the signs of the Zodiac card deck. It relates to giving the profile of each zodiac. So let us start learning about the profile of Libra. Your birthday season is September the 23rd to October the 22nd. Your ruling planet is Venus. Your element is air. Your quality is cardinal, and your polarity is positive, masculine. You have the 7th house assigned to your sign, which is about couples, society, contracts, friends, and also enemies. Virtues of Libra are that you are diplomatic, sociable, peaceful, tolerant, understanding, careful, impartial, kind, lovers of harmony, and defenders of what is right. Flaws of Libra is that you are a bit moody, capricious, indecisive, complex, impatient, pessimistic, vain, superficial, influenceable, nosy, and dependent. Famous Libras, they are Kim Kardashian, Pedro Almodovar, Will Smith, and Julie Andrews, to name a few. Libra is the sign of balance and justice, as indicated by the scale that represents the sign. Yet this isn't a literal association, and it can lead to problems. Libras are always in search of balance, emotionally, socially, and even on a more superficial level. They take great care in how they dress and how they decorate their homes. They hate all things vulgar, excessive, or ordinary. This constant search for balance can affect their mood and, more intimately, their emotions, although this has much more to do with the moon sign. Libras tend to prefer light color schemes and flirty decorative objects, and they love accessories. If you are a Libra and you do not identify with this description, you need to look at your birth chart to see which signs dominate it. The corresponding tarot card to Libra is Justice. Justice represents fairness and balance and truth, and on its negative side, a lack of decision-making initiative. They are all key themes in this sign, areas in which Libras will have to push themselves. A ritual to gain and strengthen your resolve and find balance. You will need a white candle, a paper and pencil, a tea of your choice, a glass jar with a lid, and a quartz. And the method here is, during a full moon in a safe space, light the candles and surround yourself. No, light the candle, because it's only one, and surround yourself with the objects above that I named. Think about what aspect of your life has no balance. Then write down what you can do to improve the situation. Put a paper on a table. Place the tea inside the glass jar. Close the lid and set the jar on the paper. And then place the crystal on the lid and leave them in the moonlight. There are amulets to enhance whatever we need, so the most appropriate amulets for Libra are those that help them remain emotionally balanced and contribute to their attracting balance to all areas of their life: professional, emotional, spiritual, and financial. There is the stone jade. The green one is improving both your material and financial balance. There is topaz. The brown or the gold one gives you energy. And there is the emerald, the green one. It shares the properties of jade and is especially suitable for wearing as a polished jewel. There is the aquamarine, the greenish blue version. This stone has a powerful energy evoking the sea. It serves to balance Libra's more fickle nature. The flower for Libra is the hydrangea. It changes colors, symbolizing adaptability. And the color for Libra is pink and turquoise. Pink is related to Libra's feminine ruling planet, which is Venus, and turquoise is also related to Libra, giving its chromatic intensity. It symbolizes the middle ground and balance. The next card is from the Psychic Tarot deck. It is a new deck I got, and you got the card Hope. This is a card that focuses on the qualities of hope, faith, healing, aspirations, success, and finally, enlightenment. When this card appears, know that a special wish you have made may be fulfilled in time. The Hope card will help you, show you that the impossible can indeed become the possible. The force that works through your soul, determining what is possible and the difference between success over failure, and above all, who we are, is the power of your belief. This card serves as a reminder to use your natural ability of intuition, the language of the soul, as you reach for your goals and your desires. The future can be yours when you have hope and trust in everything you do. Soon others will be attracted and drawn to your inner light. Learn to share your experiences and lessons, for those around you will also realize that by having faith and pushing forward where one may have felt no hope at all is the key to success. Above all, maintaining a positive attitude starting right now, this very minute, will allow your soul to soar. You will discover an opportunity to shine as you reach for the stars. And the traditional tarot archetype for this card Hope is also the star. The mood crystals today are negative moods. I before took them out because I like to be positive in my readings, but negative moods belong to life as well. So today we learn about negative moods, and the negative mood you got, Libra, is pain. The emotion of pain brings the awareness that something needs attention or a shift in order for growth to continue. Often, an emotional pain leaves us vulnerable, so interrupting the cycle of pain allows us to digest and to move through emotional pain or heartache. A good stone is hematite. It is a stone helping to release any trauma that is causing you to relive emotional pain. It grants you the safe passage through murky waters, having the ability to link the emotional body with the grounding support of the earth. There is quartz, especially the clear quartz, has the ability to bring a clear understanding of the letting go process in order to facilitate healing. It serves as a beacon of awareness, shedding light on the places in the emotional body that need acknowledgement in order to be released and to be healed. And finally, there is the rose quartz. It can ease emotional pain and create harmony so you can love yourself. It relaxes all tensions by gently reminding you to let go of worries and to trust in yourself. Next card is the Oracle card, Bob Ross Oracle. It's a new deck I got, and that one for you, the card that came out for you, is the Bird. No matter the scene he was painting, whether mountain or ocean or winter landscape, Bob made sure that there was a place in there for his birds. He said, remember that your friends, the little birds, have to have some limbs out here to sit on. That is what all these little tree limbs are for. They are just little seeds for the birds. The bird is a reminder to leave space in our lives for the little ones that make the world so joyful and that bring a song to our hearts. And whenever you hear those birds sing, do not be afraid to join them. And the last card is the Quantum Oracle card, and out came Teacher. And teacher relates to guide. On the card we see a man stands in front of a desk with a woman at his side, smiling and looking into a book. The light of spirit pours out of the book and encircles them both. The positive influence of someone who will guide you in personal or academic directions is entering your life. This guide may be of assistance in a very thoughtful or spiritual way. Whether you are looking into a new spiritual practice or you are searching for deeper psychological understanding, now is the time to learn. If you are thinking about going back to school, be proactive about moving forward with that decision. Teachers abound in life, including in forms you might not expect, such as a book or an online course. You may in fact be teaching some classes yourself, perhaps in small groups or in an academic setting. So get ready, open your heart, and remember that Spirit brings guidance as well. Be willing to receive the direction you need and to share the wisdom you have. Say this affirmation: I open up to the guidance and inspiration available to me. The knowledge I need comes in many wonderful ways. That was your reading, Libra. I hope you liked it a little bit. I wish you a beautiful day today. I wish you a joyous whole week. Take care and goodbye.